Imagine the Moon's identical twin comes hurtling by and is trapped by Earth's gravity. As it settles into orbit, halfway between Earth and our original Moon, it yanks violently at the oceans. In the real world, this is how our original Moon helps generate tides. So, the second Moon would amplify the effect, causing peak tides that would be 6 times higher, eroding shorelines and flooding many of our world's greatest cities including New York, Singapore, and London, gone. But not all destruction would happen on Earth. The combined pull of the planet and the original Moon would also yank on the second Moon. The second Moon would be caught in a tug-of-war between Earth and the original Moon. The gravitational pull back and forth from both ends would warp the second Moon's surface, triggering tremendous volcanic activity, flooding the second Moon's surface with red-hot rivers of lava. Just like hundreds of the volcanoes you see today on Jupiter's hellish moon. But even that's not the end of the spectacle. Right now, our current moon is spiraling away from Earth at 3.8 centimeters a year. That's about how fast your fingernails grow. At the same time, it pulls on the Earth, slowing down the planet's rotation, which is actually lengthening our days by around 1 second every 40,000 years. It may not sound like much, but with 2 moons in place it would accelerate this process even more. The Earth would also adjust to its 2 moons, giving life a chance to arise. But life on a 2-mooned Earth would be different. The combined light from the Moon and Luna would make for much brighter nights, and their different orbital periods will mean the Earth would have fewer fully dark nights. The idea of an Earth with 2 moons has been a science fiction staple for decades. More recently, real possibilities of an Earth with 2 moons have popped up. The properties of the Moon's far side has many scientists thinking that another moon used to orbit the Earth before smashing into the Moon and becoming part of its mass. Since 2006, astronomers have been tracking smaller secondary moons that our own Earth-Moon system captures. These meter-wide moons stay for a few months then leave. The combined light from the Moon and Luna would make for much brighter nights, and their different orbital periods will mean the Earth would have fewer fully dark nights. This will lead to different kinds of nocturnal beings. Nighttime hunters would have an easier time seeing their prey, but the prey would develop better camouflage mechanisms. The need to survive could lead to more cunning and intelligent breeds of nocturnal animals.